If you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of CNC routing, you might be feeling overwhelmed by the choices out there. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Genmitsu Cubico CNC Router Machine. The Genmitsu Cubico CNC router machine really caught my eye with its sleek design and smart features, priced at $449.66. If you want a user-friendly experience right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. This machine is perfect for beginners who want to get into woodworking or PCB milling without breaking the bank. It comes equipped with auto Z-probing, which means it can automatically adjust the cutting depth based on your material, saving you a lot of hassle. Plus, the Wi-Fi and app support lets you control it right from your smartphone, making it super convenient. Imagine being able to start a project from your couch. And with over 50 units sold last month, it's gaining traction with new users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Every feature is designed to make your first CNC experience smooth and enjoyable. Now, some people complained that the instructions could be clearer, which is definitely something to consider. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial setup, the ease of use more than compensates for it. It's a great option for those who might feel intimidated by complicated machinery. This is perfect for you if you're new to CNC and want a simple, user-friendly machine. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more advanced capabilities right away. For the price, the value is hard to beat. Now, if the Cubico's potential setup issues worry you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for straightforward assembly. Product number 2, CNC Router Machine 3030 Evo Max by Aliexpress, priced at $599. If you're looking for something that can cut various materials with precision, this is worth a serious look. This machine features an 800-watt trim router and supports up to 24,000 RPM, which means it can easily tackle metals like aluminum and brass, making it incredibly versatile for different projects. The dual linear guides provide high precision and rigidity, which is crucial if you want to create detailed designs without any hiccups. It's also equipped with a 1.07 horsepower motor, which is a nice boost for beginners wanting to experiment with tougher materials. Plus, it's designed for easy assembly, which is really helpful if you're just starting out. However, some users mention that the manual isn't the most intuitive. Here's the thing, while it may take a bit of time to figure it out, the machine's performance can outweigh that initial learning curve. It's a solid option for those who want to grow into more advanced projects over time. This is perfect for you if you want to experiment with both wood and metal. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need something that runs perfectly out of the box. For the features you get, the price is pretty reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list offers some interesting features that might catch your attention. Product number 3, TTC 3018 CNC Router Machine. The TTC 3018 CNC router machine is next and priced at just $174.99, making it one of the most affordable options on this list. If you're looking to dip your toes into CNC routing without a major investment, this is worth a serious look. It features a 775 spindle motor, which is capable of handling materials like wood, acrylic, and even aluminum. What really stands out is that it's lightweight and compact, perfect for those with limited workspace. Additionally, the built-in Wi-Fi makes controlling the machine from your phone a breeze. With a rating of 0 stars, it doesn't have a lot of reviews yet, but the price is hard to argue with for beginners. Here's why this matters for you. If you want something easy and portable, this could be your go-to. Now, some users have mentioned that the build quality feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing though. If you're just starting out and want to experiment without the fear of damaging a more expensive machine, this could be the perfect fit. This is perfect for hobbyists or students just starting out in CNC. Skip this one if you plan on working with tougher materials extensively. For the price, it's an excellent entry point into the CNC world. Now, if the TTC 3018's lightweight construction concerns you, the next product could provide a more solid build. Product number 4. The CNC Router Machine 3060 Evo Max, priced at $729. If you want a solid machine capable of handling more demanding tasks, this is worth a serious look. Like its sibling, the 3030 model, this one comes with an 800-watt trimmer and features dual linear guides. But what really sets it apart is its expanded working area, giving you more room to play with larger projects. The maximum rotational speed of 24,000 RPM ensures you can tackle a wide variety of materials, from plastics to metals, with ease. This model has been designed with beginners in mind, so its assembly is straightforward and it comes with helpful support for software compatibility. However, some users pointed out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing, while that might be a drawback in a quiet workspace, the power and capability of this machine could easily make up for it, especially if you're serious about CNC work. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable machine that can grow with your skills. Skip this one if you're looking for something quiet or lightweight. The investment is justified for the capabilities it offers. Now, if the 3060's noise level worries you, the final product on our list might just fit the bill better. Product number 5. CNC Router Machine 4040 Pro. We have the CNC Router Machine 4040 Pro available for $409. If you want a balanced mix of size and functionality, this is worth a serious look. This machine features a powerful 500-watt trimmer and a working area of 15.75 inches by 15.75 inches by 2.95 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. It also has a linear rail-driven system, which enhances precision and stability during operation. The GRBL control means it's compatible with a variety of software, making it easy for beginners to adapt. With a growing number of sales, this model seems to resonate well with new users. Here's why this matters for you. If you want something that's robust but not overly complex, this could be a great choice. However, some users have mentioned that the setup process could take a bit longer than expected. Here's the thing. Once you get through that initial setup, the performance and results can be quite rewarding, especially if you're serious about creating detailed projects. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable machine with decent power for various materials. Skip this one if you want something that's ready to run right out of the box without any assembly. Considering the features, the price is quite competitive. That wraps up my list. If you liked the features of the 4040 Pro, you might find it a great fit for your projects. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the CNC Router Machine 3030 Evo Max because it offers great value and adaptability for various projects. On the flip side, I'd avoid the TTC 3018 if you need something heavier duty. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.